Hey, what's up guys? Today I gotta do a video how to oil change the Chevy Express, the van, passenger van, 2013, and the air filter replaced. And let's go over the hood. This is the coolant. This is the dipstick for the engine oil, and this for the transmission. And we gotta use the 5 recommend oil 5 weight 30, and this is a air filter inside here, and this is a power steering, and this is the brake fluid, and this is a windshield fluid. All right, alternator, battery here, and this is coolant cap. All right, and let's go over some tool that before we get started. And we gotta buy this, the part number for the oil filter. It's the HG160, and reason I bought this is ultra synthetic. It lasts to like 20,000 miles, and this is a commercial vehicle, so I gotta buy this filter. It's cost you $9 or $10, you know, like, so next time, you know, for the next 6 months I gotta keep this oil filter for a year. And you know, next 6 months I just gonna do oil change only, drain the oil and fill up the, you know, the new oil. I don't have to replace the oil filter again. You know, I gotta keep it for 1 year, because you know I use this van for pick up student around the neighborhood. You know, it just, we don't try much for a day, you know, so I gotta keep for a year. And this is the air filter. It costs you $20. We need a oil pan, some glove, you know, wrench to remove the nut, and you're gonna need the you know, air intake cleaner and mass sensor cleaner, towel, oil filter remover, funnel. And this is 30 weight high mileage synthetic plain. You know, like when you know, some people they say like you cannot use fully synthetic for this vehicle, so I just gonna buy the synthetic plain, you know. And this is an empty bottle, because when you you know, to store the oil, and you can bring to AutoZone or really to like recycle used oil. And this is a Lucas, you know, when you fill up the gas tank to clean the injector. Okay, this is a tool, so let's get started. Go underneath and find out where is the drainer and the oil filter location. This is the oil filter. On the left side underneath, you can see it very easy. Okay, and the oil drain, let's find out right there. Oil drain is right there. Okay, it's easy to see. All right, okay, let's remove it. Hey guys, phone, you know what, for this vehicle, and you know, when you use this kind of tool to remove the oil filter, it's pretty tough, because you know there's no room, you know, it's pretty tight space in here. It's hard to use this tool, so you gotta buy like something like, you know, like a ring, you know, ring oil filter remove. It's easier than, you know, use like this flyer. If you know, it kind of tight space in here, no room, but you're still able to do it, but it kind of messy, you know. And the drain bolt nut is you can use the 15 to remove the oil, you know, like the bowl nut right there. 15. All right, so let's drain it. See guys, it kind of messed up here. I always do the oil filter first before, and next is the oil all the time. And remember, put some oil on the new filter rings, and check for double gasket. Make sure there are no like double gaskets. And this, you know, if you forgot to check it, you know, it's, you know, may leaking if there's a double gasket, so make sure. And lubricate, you know, the O-ring, the gasket here, so we stick better, and it's easy to remove next time. And you know, like the best way is fill up the oil filter like half full, so you know, like when you start the engine, it won't start dry. And guys, this gasket here, you know, the best way, you know, replace it every time you oil change the gasket. This is a 1-use oil. Feel dark. Okay, yeah, now let's fill it up. And when you fill it, you know, take your time and measure. So I just put in like 5 quart and 5.5 quart. So make sure it's gonna go this much. So I think I pull a little bit over. So make sure that you just, you know, go easy. A little bit over, that's fine, because I'm gonna go to the oil filter anyway. So 5.5 quart, maybe a little bit less. You know what, guys? In the meantime, I checked the transmission fluid from this dipstick right here, and I see, you know, the color pretty kind of gray. You know, it should be red. so that means this is, you know, kind of dirty. So, and okay, next time I'm gonna do a video how to do the transmission fluid or transmission fluid change. You know, you see this is kind of gray color. You can see it. It should be red, you know, red color. This is kind of gray. Hey guys, and don't mistake between the transmission dipstick and the oil engine dipstick. The yellow for the engine, the black for the transmission, and lock it like this so it won't come out. This is open, this is lock. Transmission, this is engine oil. Alright, and let's go over to the air filter. And it has only 2 clamps here and here. And when you install it, make sure you see the arrow matching the upper arrow and lock it. This is the old air filter. It's about 1 year. This is a new one. Okay, I just put in and replace it. And for the, you know, the air intake cleaner, I just gonna spray on the air intake right here. And don't start the engine right away. You gotta wait like, you know, 5-10 minutes before you start the engine. The smell, man, it's very bad. You might put your mask on. And this is for the air flow sensor cleaner. It's, you know, it's the sensor cleaner all the way down there, all the way inside the tube. So just spray it in there. It should be okay. And this engine is pretty dirty. You can use the like flex cleaner and spray it and get all the dirt out. Okay, and let's replace this here. And make sure the arrow matching the arrow right there. Okay, and guys, don't forget to check for the oil leak after your oil change. So let's start the engine and check for leaks. Okay guys, there's no leak, so that's good. Hey guys, so the final step is to get rid of the oil. That's why I bought the empty container and put in here, and you know, just bring to the recycle center near you. Okay guys, so that pretty much, you know, about how to do oil change. And you know, at the shop it charge you like some place they charge you including tax around $50 their oil and their filter included. But you know what, guys, that's just the regular oil, and it won't last long. It lasts maybe like 3 months or 4 max. But when you buy your own oil, it's better quality, and you can do yourself, and the cost is like include oil filter and oil is less around $30, and you do yourself, and you can last for like 6 months and up. But some place they charge you like $85 for better quality oil. For me, I like to do my own oil change, since I know how to do it. It's been like more than 10 years. I never take to my any shop to do oil change, unless I'm lazy. But in the past 10 years, I had none that I would brought to the shop to do my oil change, and I never do that. I love to do my own oil. I have like 4 van, 3 car, 1 big truck. I do it all myself. I don't bring any shop to do it, because I know how to do, like I put the right amount, and I know what kind of oil I put in. I just kind of don't trust that. Trust other people do that for me. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video and it's helped you do your job easier, give me a thumb up, and subscribe my channel so I can do more video for you guys. When I had a chance, anything, just comment below. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.